Good morning, grade 6, and welcome back to KIS Online. This is our Unit 5, Week 4, Part 1. Again, the title for Unit 5 is The Greatest Inventions. And remember, this is our last week. Next week will be our exam week. So, as our first part of this week's lesson, we will have our lesson review. We will talk again about the present passive and the past passive plus our vocabulary words. This is our lesson review. Once again, I welcome you to Unit 5, Week 4, Part 1. You can open your workbook on page 51. You can open your workbook on page 51 and we will answer these 3 exercises. I know this is a bit easy, but some of you tend to forget. So that's why we are having this review lesson. On number 1, you will answer in 2, present passive or past passive. You cannot answer both present and you cannot answer both past passive. One must be present passive and the other is the past passive. For number 2, it's quite easy. You just identify which statement that match the picture. And for number 3, you have to decide which is the correct word that is being used in a sentence. Ready? Get your pen. And let's answer page 51 on your notebook. Number 1, write sentences. Use present or past passive. Number 1, we've got 2 sets. Number 2, we got 2 sets again. So each set, we got 2 sentences. I mean, first set, we got 2 sets of questions and 2 sets of answers, 2 sets of sentences. For number 1 is given. First sentence, glasses were invented in 1248. That's the past. So your answer must be in present or vice versa. Again, if your answer first past, your next answer would be present. If your answer first present, your next answer would be past passive. Okay? You can pause this video and write your answer. Let's check your answers. For number 1, second question. Today, we are talking about present. Your answer must be, today, they are worn by many people to help them see better. Use the word are worn. Let's go to number 2. First sentence, this building, past. Your answer must be, this building was designed by a Spanish artist called Gaudí. Use the word was designed. Put ed on the verb. Second sentence. Today it is visited by many tourists. Use is visited. Let's go to number 3. This machine, use present. This machine is used to cut bread. Put D. Is used. And second sentence must be in the past. It was invented in 1928. Use was invented. X-rays were, X-rays plural, were discovered. Put ed on the verb in 1895, and that is past passive. Now use the present. Now they are used by doctors to look at bones. So number 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences. 2 points each. So number 1 is 14 points. All right. Don't worry. If you are wrong, I'll give 1 point. Let's go to number 2. Match these pictures and the sentences from exercise 1. Remember, from our exercise 1, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences. And then you match these sets of sentences to the picture with number 2. Number 1 is given. What picture is this? The answer is sentence 3. This machine used to cut bread. So the answer is number 3. All right. For letter B, what number is your answer? Pause this video and write your correct answers. All right, we got A, the answer is 3. Let's go to letter B. The answer is 1. 1. What about letter C? The answer is 2. 2. What about letter D? The answer is 4. 4. All right, so that's 2, 4, 6 points. Plus 14 points, we've got 20 already. 20 already. All right, one more. Third question. Now, read and circle. There are 2 sets of words that you want to choose, right? One is wrong, one is correct. So select, circle, or underline the correct word that is being used in the sentence. You can check your dictionary on your workbook, page 128. All right, you can pause again this video and then write your answers for number 3. All right, number 1, you just select inventions or experiments. Answer is given, experiments. Experiments are being done to test new medicines. No need to give answers. No need to give score. For number 2, the same. Every correct answer, give 2 points. Every wrong answer, mark 1 point. Let's go to number 2. A key ring is a device, machine for keeping your keys together. The answer is device. A key ring is a device for keeping your keys together. Number 3. Frogs like to hide in the grass at the side of the reservoir cartridge. What is your answer? Reservoir. Frogs like to hide in the grass at the side of a reservoir. Let's go to number 4. When you rotate the switch, the computer starts. What is your answer? Press. When you press the switch, the computer starts. 5. A long time ago, people wrote on ink, clay, not paper. What's your answer? Clay. Long time ago, people wrote on clay, not on paper. And last number, the development of writing 8,000 years ago was a great movement, achievement. What's your answer? Correct answer is achievement. And that's it. For number 3, we've got 10 points. For number 2, we've got 4 points. For number 1, we've got 14 points. Again, for number 1, we've got 14 points. For number 2, 6 points. For number 3, 10 points. Total score, 30 over 30. All right, how many points have you got? Don't forget to post your name with your score on our grade 6 English online group. All right, that ends for our Unit 5, Week 4, Part 1. And see you again on our next video for our Part 2. God bless everyone and